Okay, we've arrived in no particular place. The idea was to go to Glen Etive, but it seems that holiday fever is certainly in because it's absolutely mobbed. So I spoke to a guy, I believe his name was Jim, at the Green Welly shop, and he advised to come down Glen Orchy. There's a wee turning just before the bridge at Orchy Hotel on the left hand side if you're coming from the Green Welly, and it brings you down this wee road. And there's quite a few bits just off the road that are suitable for camping, and I've chose this one purely down to the fact you can get the bike right next to me. There was one just up here that was that wee bit better, but somebody had already moved in. So aye, this is it. House is going there. That wee fireplace just in there. And might get me in there later. We'll see. But let's get the house set up. See you in a bit. House is up. Bike's parked. View's sorted out. Time to get the dinner on. I'm going to cook just a couple of cheeseburgers. And obviously a lot of fresh things like meat, onion, lettuce, a bit of cucumber, tomato, cheese, some bacon. Obviously didn't want it getting hot, so I asked the good lady if she could put it in a wee cool bag for me. And to be fair, she did. She did, she's done a great job. Said cool bag. But hey, who's going to lie? A wee flurry number. Have a look at this. I'll show you. A great wee number. That's my light, my frying pan. And my lettuce is my salad. 2 rolls. Got my red onion. And I think that's my cheese in there. Then my burgers. Aye, still cold. Good job, Hen. Right, I'm going to get these cooked. Then get the fire on. Thankfully, the midges aren't only too bad now. The sun's just went down. They're not too bad. They're thinking about waiting to strike. I don't doubt it. Fingers crossed to stay away. Right, catch up with you soon. Just to be clear, this is just a cheeseburger. It's a bacon cheeseburger. I'm going to scan the 2 of these and then get in the tent because the midges that I said that were only here have made an appearance. So, catch you in a bit. Down by the river. What a place. Just finished my burgers. They were tremendous. Kettle's on, cup of coffee, chill for 5. We'll see if we get in that water. Check in a bit. What's called the floor it's going to be? Good times. Well, I'm going to sit back and enjoy this fire. Just chill.